And I am Cole.
And together we're Bus Life Possible.
Yes, this is Harriet, and Harriet is a 2000 Chevy 3500 Express mid-bus.
Yeah.
It was originally a 28 passenger bus, and now it is our tiny house on wheels.
So let's go check it out.
Come on. Why don't you talk about the front here for
Yeah,
people?
we can kind of talk about the entryway here. You saw a little closet space, and then we have a shoe cubby at the bottom. Just kind of miscellaneous storage there. This is our passenger seat, which seems to be a hit with the people. It is on a 360 swivel, so it can turn around. It locks in place so I can sit facing forward. And then we can also open it up to just use as a lounge chair. And kind of tilt it to let
People
open
come
up,
in the door.
yeah, open up the hall area a little bit.
It was really important for us to have a passenger seat up front because Monica gets kind of motion sick
Yeah.
historically with vehicles. So,
Yeah.
but we've had a lot of people grasp onto the whole idea of getting a jump seat for their passenger seat.
Yeah, pretty compact.
Works really well in a tiny space.
Yeah. Do you want to tell them about the dinette area?
Sure, yeah. I spend a lot of time at the dinette. Why don't you hold on to this? I am the video editor out of us. We do have a YouTube channel as well called Bus Life Possible. We have a whole conversion series on there and also our adventure series. But the dinette just comes out of place then, and then we have this drop-in cushion. So this then goes flat and becomes our couch kind of chill zone then. But most of the time, we do have it in dinette mode. So this is just, what do you call these? These are, they're called double bracketed shelf brackets. Double.
Shelf standards?
Yeah, shelf standards, that's what it is. So
Yep.
the one thing we should probably also tell people is that a lot of this handiwork is in place because of Monica's father, Jim,
Oh, yeah.
who is a carpenter of 40 years. So he really helped us give it a more finished,
Clean look, yeah.
clean look than, you know, what it would have been without him. So.
Oh, for sure.
Yep.
So this is our famous kitchen toilet. This area just lifts up and locks to the wall for that. And then we have our vintage stove, which is my favorite part of the bus, honestly.
For some reason, people get so weirded out that our composting toilet is in our kitchen area, but it's just the most practical place for it to be.
Yeah.
This is all additional storage we have. We have our dry goods underneath. We have our shoe storage. We have just all of that's open, and then the toilet is right next to the oven underneath it.
Yeah,
So
it just happened that way.
yeah, sorry, not sorry.
Okay.
Rest of the kitchen, I mean, we've got a pretty deep bar sink, which I really like. Gives us plenty of space for storage when we're driving and doing dishes. It's not as shallow as a lot of the RV sinks, so I really like that.
Yeah, this was a deal that we got off of Facebook Marketplace. I mean, Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and Amazon were our favorite shopping
Our
destinations.
go-tos.
The propane stove oven, that's from 1973, I think. We got it for $35 and had to do some restoration to get it going, but it's one of our favorite things. And then the sink itself, this was regularly like a $300 bar sink we got for $30 off of Facebook Marketplace too.
Yeah,
So.
gotta look around. And then in the back here, obviously a bedroom area. We put a full queen size bed back here, and then everything underneath here is storage. We've got a 42-gallon water tank, and our solar system, like battery and inverter, is also underneath here.
Do you want to turn on a light for them?
Yeah, I can turn on a light here. And then
Go get a closer look.
yeah, clothing storage up top. We've got a shelf here that we can pull out, put a laptop there for laying down and watching movies. And our teeny tiny little closet there.
It was really important for us to have everything like fully off-grid ready. So we've got 640 watts of solar on top, and we have a very small battery bank. We only have 200 amp hours of battery storage, but we were very strategic about what we were powering in the bus. The only thing that runs off of AC power besides our record player outside right now and our DeWalt battery charger is our laptops. Everything else is 12 volt, from the fridge to things dealing with the water pump, and so we can do pretty good on a very small amount of storage.
Yep. Did we miss anything?
You guys did a beautiful job.
Oh,
Thank you for the tour.
Yeah, thank you.
thanks for
Appreciate
being
it.
here.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.